our Summer Institute Pāpala Lele Early College Internship provides a month-long opportunity for high school and college students to explore career and college pathways in natural science, conservation, and food security. And within that month-long experience, they're learning from professionals within those fields. They're learning from practitioners. They're learning from specialists. And they're also learning from ʻāina, or lineal descendants of this place, which is extremely special and rare. And in addition to that, our interns earn early college credit. So we provide an IS 201 course, but our early college classes and offerings change every summer. But they do include 3 college credits and a $2,500 stipend. It's an amazing opportunity. We also provide transportation every day for students who come from the other side of the island all the way to ʻāina, which is an extremely remote community. And we get to camp out and have fun every single day. So that is Pāpala Lele in a small nutshell. We really have taken the best of our resources and have collaborated to create this opportunity for our high school and college students to explore fields and pathways in natural science, conservation, and food security in the most incredible environment and the most incredible, I think, example of a somewhat functioning ahupua'a.
They'll be exploring these different pathways, and so what comes with that is being kind of like mentees under whether it be lo'i farmers, the horticulture team down at Limahuli. They'll be exposed to, you know, fishermen, to people who manage the fishery systems here in Hawaii. And so through interacting with these like specialists and through interacting with these pathways, the idea is that they would kind of have an idea of careers that they could go into.
On Kauaʻi, it's really hard to find native and indigenous people who actually know their culture and know their practice. So having these programs where even our keiki can come and learn is amazing, because we don't know what to do and where to go if we don't have the people that already know it. And they're just here to come and teach us like their knowledge, and hopefully we'll pass it down too.
I don't really know my Hawaiian side that much, and this program kind of would have let me open up to it a lot more. Like a lot of the people here kind of know Hawaiian and Hawaiian history more than I do. I kind of came in kind of unknowing, thinking I knew more than I did, but then this program kind of showed me that there's much more to learn.
Our particular partnership is a great example of institution collaborating with community to create this beautiful bridge of opportunity and mentorship for Kauaʻi students and for Kauaʻi youth.